Hello guys, I am Bhatia from bhatiaphotography.com. I am from Chandigarh, India. I am doing photography for the last 30 years and rainy season is my favorite season for photography because in this season we can get very beautiful, out of this world and unusual pictures. But most of the photographers do not venture out in this season to take photographs for fear of damaging their costly equipment. But today I will show you a very effective, cheap way to make your own camera rain guard. I will use these three items to make this camera rain guard. One, this is the clear plastic bag, size is 10 by 15 inch. There is a zipper lock on the one side. Another item I need is a cello tape and a scissor. The cost of these items less than $1. So what I will do now is I will insert my hand inside this clear bag and point my finger around here on this and cut from here. The size of this opening will be less than the dia of my lens here. So I will cut this much, about 1 inch. And this is the opening on this bag. And now I will remove the hood of the lens. And I'll try to insert this opening of this clear plastic bag around my lens like this. So just press this plastic bag evenly, smoothly, not too far, that much. This should be around the UV filter. Now what I will do is replace this lens hood on this my lens, and this lens hood will tightly secure this plastic clear bag. Next step is I will lock this bag from the back side. Press from the one side and keep on pressing to the other side. So it's not locked. I have already removed the camera strap of this camera. Yeah, it's done. Camera rain guard is ready now. Now I can zoom in and zoom out. It's very full zoom. I can zoom in this and to take a picture, suppose from the viewfinder, or I can use the live view. I can take a picture live view or viewfinder can be used. So this is the very effective way, and whenever we go out to take picture in the rains, we should keep a few spare clear bags with us and a scissor and a cello tape. I have not used this cello tape around because most of the time this lens hood will tighten up this opening of this clear bag. So this rain guard can be very effectively used in the holy season in India, and you can take some wonderful pictures. So this was Bhatia from bhatiaphotography.com, or visit my website www.bhatiaphotography.com.